Namaskara, I am Ranjeet Mishra, CEO of CySecK, the Center of Excellence in Cybersecurity for Government of Karnataka. Today, I am reaching out to engineering college across Karnataka with an invitation to be part of an important cyber skilling journey. CySecK is building a community lab, a hands-on, browser-based learning and simulation platform where students will not only just study cybersecurity, but actually practice it in a real-world scenarios. This is an excellent opportunity for all students to become job ready, for faculties to access structured industry-aligned labs, and for all colleges to strengthen their cybersecurity learning ecosystem. As part of this journey, CySecK will also reach out to interested institutions to understand the current status of their cybersecurity curriculum, teaching methodology, lab exposure, and cybersecurity courses currently being offered. Let us work together to create Karnataka's next generation of cyber defenders and move from classroom learning to hand-on practices. Thank you.